Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate at Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a very, very special home listing tour. Today the property I'm standing in front of is 5011 Hawk Springs Drive. This is a fantastic property located in the beautiful Sundown neighborhood, just northeast end of Colorado Springs, with easy access to the Powers Corridor, easy access to Academy, as well as Power, as well as the north end of Colorado Springs. This property sits on a generous corner lot with a large side yard, fully fenced backyard. You've got great views of the peak from the back of the house. You've got a beautiful front porch. You've got nearly 2,100 total square feet. You've got 4 bedrooms, you've got 3 bathrooms, and a good sized 2-car garage. Okay, beautiful property with some great features and some great updates inside. Let's go inside and take a closer look at it. Now, once inside this home, you're immediately greeted by nice tall vaulted ceilings and open great room space. This great room has carpeted flooring, lots of natural light, entertainment cubbies, and a gas fireplace. From the great room, you're led into the area I'm in now, which is kind of the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining room area. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, updated lighting, recessed lighting, plenty of countertop space, and nice cabinet space as well. It's got an eat-in dining area over here. It's got beautiful tile flooring throughout this space. The dining area does walk out to the backyard and that huge deck. We've got 2 other bedrooms on the main level, including the master suite. The master's got a large walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings, and an attached full bath. The backyard of this home is generous with, again, a big side yard. It's got air conditioning. It's got a great dog run. It's got a large deck with beautiful views of the peak and a lot of room to roam back there for sure. Downstairs is fully finished, so again, you've got nearly 2,100 square feet that's fully finished. You've got a great family room in the basement. You've also got 2 large bedrooms down there as well. Both have copious closet space. And you've got a separate full bath in the basement as well. So again, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms total. Easy ranch floor plan with a modern finishes, including 2 panel doors and updated lighting throughout. As with all my homes, this property does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. If you'd like more information about 5011 Hawk Springs Drive, it's going to be coming on the market this week at $289,900. So $289,900 will be the price for this phenomenal home in this great neighborhood. If you'd like more information, please visit the website www.makespringshome.com at any time. Or if you'd like a private tour of this fantastic home, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.